What's up? I'm just like trying new stuff with my head because my head's been really freaking boring recently. So I'm trying new stuff out. Hope you don't hate it. Let's get... Ow. Ooh. Woo. Let's get to the lesson. The lesson that we're gonna do today is something that you guys have been asking me for a very long time. What's the best way to learn English? What's the best way? What's the best way to learn? What's the best way to learn? I'm about to tell you now. Once upon a time, there was a best way for you to... Let's just try to do it. This way. It would be really funny and silly and stupid of me to tell you, hey, this is the best way to learn English and you should be following this one only because this is the best one, it works the best, it's gonna help you so much. No. The answer is, there is no the best way that can help you learn English. There's only the best way for you. Do you feel me? No? Okay, let me explain. What I mean by this is that we are all different. The stupidest thing that we learned at school is that human brains are the same. Me, my brain, and your brain, same? Hell no. Hell no. Some people love learning stuff through visuals. Some people love learning stuff by listening to audio recordings. Podcasts. People adore podcasts and they learn the best way that way. I love videos. I love learning stuff through videos, visuals, okay? Some people love reading. Some people just love listening to other people explaining lessons. Some people love learning through pictures only, you know? Zero text. We're all different. And there's no way that what works for John works for Stacy too. So you're saying John and Stacy are different. So the thing is, you should be experimenting. You should be trying different things out, okay? You should be reading for a month, then watching videos for another month, then listening to podcasts for the third one, then telling someone to retell a lesson to you for the fourth month, and so on and so on. You should be trying different ways out and see which one suits you the best. Which one makes your heart go like, I want more of that. Yes. Feel me? I hope you do. If you think that this is a waste of time, you are a waste of time. There's no way for you to find out what suits your brain the best if you don't try things out first. I mean, how do you know that you want to buy a certain jacket? You put it on, baby. You try it out. You look at the mirror. You're like, oh, damn, this. No, do you have maybe size M instead of S? Thank you. And then you get the M size and you try it on. Oh, this is much better, okay? You know what I'm saying? You try things out. After you do that, you pick your own thing. You pick your favorite thing. And you just keep on learning that way. That's it. Our brains are different. Our preferences are different. Our feelings are different. We are different, okay? Now, what happens to the thing that I'm preaching on Instagram and YouTube? Fuck grammar. What happens to that? Well, let me explain. Fuck grammar has nothing to do with the way you learn. Now, when you learn grammar, you learn the rules that you can show off with. Please ask me what's the rule for present perfect tense and I'll tell you. It's subject plus have or has plus past participle. Like you can show off with your grammar. But when you need to use it in real life speech, you're like, wait, how does a rule go? Let me just remember the rule first and then speak. If you focus on grammar lessons, you always first recall the grammar rules and then you try to speak through the grammar rules. But if you focus on speaking only, when you speak to someone, it's just like so smooth, you know? Now, there are people out there that really learn languages through learning grammar. It's true. There are a lot of them. But just because they exist, it doesn't mean that you have to force yourself to be like them. Okay? So this video is definitely not for those who made it with grammar lessons. Great job! I'm happy for you. This video is for those who cannot, who've been trying so hard for months and years to learn English through grammar lessons, but didn't make it. So if you're still struggling, it means that you have to change the way you do it. I mean, how could you expect different results by doing the same things all over again? If something gives you no results, it means it's time to change some shit. If something is not giving you any results, it means it's time for you to change some shit. Okay? So yeah, that's my answer. The best way for you to learn something is to find the best way for you. For you. Not for everyone, for you. So start trying things out and then come back to this video. Go to the comment section down below and tell me what is the method that helps you learn English the best. I want to hear it. I want to see your comments. Let's go down there, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And this is Dinela from English with Dinela. Tell your friends.